Hey everyone, welcome back to US Market Wire, your go-to channel for all things finance, crypto, and investing. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone talking, XRP, one of the OG cryptocurrencies that's had its fair share of ups, downs, and legal drama. Is 2025 finally the year XRP makes a comeback? Or are Ripple holders in for another roller coaster ride? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about where XRP stands today. Currently trading at $2.33, XRP is far from its all-time high of $3.84 back in December 2017. And while Ripple's tech has revolutionized cross-border payments, there's a dark cloud hanging over its potential. Yep, you guessed it, the ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Back in 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that XRP was being sold as an unregistered security. Fast forward to 2025, and while we're still waiting for a final resolution, this case continues to create uncertainty for XRP investors. So what does that mean for XRP's price? Well, uncertainty is kryptonite for any asset's growth. Until Ripple gets clarity from regulators, XRP is likely to stay volatile. All right, short-term outlook. Is there any good news? Actually, yes. There's a lot of buzz around a potential XRP ETF, and experts are predicting a price surge to $6 if Ripple wins its case. But if they lose, let's just say things could get messy. Quick poll, guys. What do you think will happen? Will Ripple win, or will the SEC keep XRP stuck in limbo? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture. Despite the legal drama, XRP's core strength lies in its use case: cross-border payments. Banks and financial institutions love RippleNet for its speed and cost efficiency. If XRP gets the regulatory green light, it could see mainstream adoption explode. However, keep in mind, crypto is a high-risk game. The market can swing wildly based on news, sentiment, and macroeconomic factors. Speaking of risk and reward, have you heard of Intel Markets, INTL? It's a new player in the crypto space, but it's already making waves by combining AI-driven trading with blockchain tech. In fact, INTL just spiked 30% in 24 hours, and its innovative approach could challenge existing platforms. Now, I know what you're thinking. Should I buy INTL or stick with XRP? Well, that depends on your risk tolerance. XRP is an established player, while INTL offers huge upside potential but with greater risk. Diversification is key, folks. So how can you take advantage of the current market landscape? Here are a few strategies to consider. 1. Short-term traders. Watch for legal updates around Ripple and be ready to trade XRP on news events. 2. Long-term investors. If you believe in Ripple's tech and its role in cross-border payments, this might be a good time to accumulate XRP at a discount. 3. Speculators. Keep an eye on newcomers like INTL for high-risk, high-reward plays. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and know your risk before investing. All right, that's it for today's breakdown of XRP and Intel markets. What do you think? Will XRP finally reclaim its former glory, or will newcomers like INTL steal the spotlight? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest market updates. Thanks for watching US Market Wire, where smart investors stay ahead of the game. See you in the next one.